Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Power the iPad fully off and remove the case and any screen protector so you can see damage. Inspect edges for dents, liquid contacts, or a bulging back that indicate battery issues. Use compressed air to clear debris from ports in the frame. Sometimes particles impede touch. Once those quick checks are done, connect a known good cable to a charger to ensure it's not a power/charger symptom. Make sure you work on a clear, static-free surface. If the hardware looks fine, you must isolate software problems. Force restart using your model's button sequence. This clears transient glitches and often restores touch. If touch still resists, put the iPad into recovery or DFU mode and connect to a computer to update or restore iPad OS. Do a backup first to save data. Once updated or restored, test responsiveness across the entire screen. If partial areas still fail, run diagnostics in settings or use assistive touch to confirm the issue is limited to digitizer hardware. When software and basic checks fail, you're at hardware repair. Replace the screen or digitizer assembly following model-specific guides and use proper heat, suction, and pry tools to avoid damage. While open, inspect the display connector and battery. Reseat or replace any loose or damaged cables because connection faults create dead zones. Once reassembled, test thoroughly. If problems persist, stop and consult Apple or a certified repair shop. Key tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.